Hello everyone, my name is Sanya Jain and I'm a verbal trainer at Hidden and Renault. So in today's video, we are going to talk about IELTS speaking where I'll help you out how to speak a better answer. When you are going to start with your IELTS practice and you are a beginner, so here in your answers, you can use such lines. If you are going to start with the question, the giving the answer of the question, your answer could begin with, "That's an interesting question," and then you can continue with your answer. Also, you can use, "Let me see," and then you can continue. Or, "I haven't thought about the question before," and then you can speak out your answer. Or you yourself can put a question, "Where should I start?" But you are not asking a question. You're only saying it as an impression, and then you can begin with your proper answer. Or you can say, "There are a variety of different things I could say," and then you can continue. Or at last, you can also say, "Wow, that's a tough question to answer," and then you can continue with your answer. So this is for the beginners who are not getting how to start with their IELTS speaking and how should they begin with their answers. When you go in the middle of the answers, so over here, when you have just thought of a better idea, you can use such lines. For example, "And I should add that," in the middle of the answer, you can add such line. And then you can continue with the rest of the part of the content. Then you can also use another point would be that dash dash dash. Then I almost forgot to say that, and then you can continue. Last, but there's also something else to consider, and this is how you can highlight something important in the answer. So this is one of the good way. When you know what you just said is incorrect or ambiguous, then how can you change it or how can you try to hide it or cover it? So you can say, "Let me try and paraphrase that," and then you can continue with your answer. So if you have spoken something wrong and now you want to correct it, so in the same way, you can make the use of this line, "Let me try and paraphrase that," and then you can speak out your answer, because paraphrasing means speaking the same thing in the different form without changing its meaning. So this is how you can correct your things. Also, you can use, "What I'm trying to say is," and then you can continue. Or you can say, or to put it in another way, and then you can make the other person understand what you are trying to say. Or at last, you can say, "So the main point is," and then you can continue. So I hope these things are going to help you out in your IELTS speaking. If you need more tips and tricks like this, tell me in the comment section. We are Hidden and Renat.